Now that a considerable time has elapsed, it is likely that a fresh tender would lead to further escalation of costs. The CCS approval for the decision appears predicted primarily on Augusta Westland being the only helicopter meeting the SQR, and multiple deviations from the SQR including shortfalls were approved.
Not the block. No. Pardon. What is that? Anand Sharma, what is the problem?
Under the rules, sir.
Yeah.
Rule 177, 176 and 178. There's a point of order. When a discussion is raised by the members, the minister responds to the members. He has come with a number one. Number two, he is not circulated.
Every point raised by the member
He is not responding to what we have said. ये अकबर बीरबल की कहानी पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
आप कहानी समझे पहले ना.
Rules are rules. He is reading. If it is a written speech, it has to be circulated then to the members have to, because he cannot face our questions. No, sir. Sir, you go by the rules. We go by the rules. Please, sir. We seek your protection now. Sir, we seek your protection.
Minister can always read a prepared speech.
We are seeking your protection.
Minister can read a prepared speech.
Spoken for half an hour.
Minister can
Rule 177, 178 is very clear. Minister can speak, can read, in favor of the house also. You are all ministers. Acted by the truth.
Anand Sharma, Minister can read a prepared speech.
मजाक हो रहा है, मजाक.
for supply of 12 DVIP
मजाक हो रहा है.
Anand Sharma ji,
with associated
हमारा अधिकार है.
engineering package
Privilege of the members.
aggregated
See,
amount
easy
of
going.
euro 556.
I cannot ask him how he should speak, but he can
In
read a
accordance
prepared
with the
speech.
payment term, 10% and 15% and
शरद यादव जी, क्या
30% have been voted in February
सर मेरा कोई
2010.
उनके बयान पे कोई एतराज नहीं है, लिख के भी दे तो भी एतराज नहीं है, लेकिन एक बात जरूर है कि लिखित बयान इतना लंबा देंगे तो निश्चित तौर पर ये इतने लोगों ने बोला.
आपने 4 घंटा इधर क्वेरीज रेज किए हैं, सब क्वेरीज इसमें आंसर्ड है. Only query is answered. I can read it on paper. I can read it on paper also.
No, सुने.
हमने ये कर दिया है. आपको
Minister can
समझा?
take his time.
मैं पेपर के सिवा भी बोल सकता हूँ.
सर मेरा ये निवेदन है,
Minister can take his time.
ये इतना लंबा
शरद जी तो मांग रहे हैं तो प्रूव करो. मैं प्रूव कर रहा हूँ तो अभी क्या
जो है उसकी मर्यादा
क्या
ठीक
तकलीफ है
है,
उनको?
इसलिए
अरे
मेरा
मैं प्रूव कर रहा हूँ. आपको तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए.
आप सुनिए ना थोड़ी देर. यानी मैं इतना ही कह रहा हूँ कि एक तो मंत्री का पढ़ा हुआ बयान कई बार हो जाता है, लेकिन ये बयान इतना महत्वपूर्ण हो गया है, पूरे देश भर में इतने दिन से चर्चा है, इतना लंबा बयान देने के बाद इसकी कॉपी हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. यानी इसलिए हम कोई भी यानी क्लैरिफिकेशन जो मांगना है वो किसी तरह से कितना याद रखें, इसलिए आपको प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए. ये इस बयान को थोड़ा शॉर्ट करें, यानी लंबा ना करें, इसको टेबल पर
In
रखें.
I cannot stop the
the
minister.
payment terms of the contract
The point is,
15%.
I cannot stop. Now let me say, Minister, yes, Sharad Yadav ji, Sharad Yadav ji, I cannot stop the minister. He can see the point is, see. No, listen please. No, please. No, please. You see, the minister, see, no, the chair, no. Bite. I am on my legs. Sit down. I am on my legs. Listen, please listen. No, you should understand. Now, sit down, Bhattacharya. I am on my legs. See, please understand my, please understand my constraints. I cannot ask the minister how he should reply. It is up to him. Second, the minister can always prepare a speech and read it also. It is also permitted for minister. Even number 3, now if the minister wants to reply to every point raised here, he is free to do. I cannot stop it. That is the position. That is the position.
Honorable Sir, Honorable Deputy Chairman, Sir. Sir, Honorable Deputy Chairman. Honorable Deputy
I will
Chairman,
speak
Sir.
without this also. I can speak without this.
मिनिस्टर बीच में पढ़ भी सकता है, जबानी भी बोल सकता है,
ठीक है,
लेकिन ये 4, 4.5, 5 घंटे का डिस्कशन हुआ। सभी ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स ने
सभी
गंभीरता से इस पे चर्चा की और ऑनरेबल डिफेंस मिनिस्टर घर से बना के नोट आके पढ़े, ये इस हाउस की और इस पूरे डिस्कशन की इंसल्ट है। ये इंसल्ट है हाउस, ये इंसल्ट है हाउस कि ये घर से बना के लाए और यहाँ पढ़ गए। और अगर इनको ये पढ़ना ही था, अगर इनको ये पढ़ना ही था तो इसको सर्कुलेट कर दे। वेंकैया नायडू, ये सर्कुलेट होना चाहिए था। वेंकैया नायडू पढ़ना ही था तो सर्कुलेट। श्री वेंकैया नायडू, सर्कुलेशन के बगैर श्री वेंकैया नायडू, ये इंसल्ट है। श्री वेंकैया नायडू, Shri Venkaiah Naidu.
It's a short duration discussion.
Yeah.
Short duration discussion is normally for 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Because of the members felt it is a very serious matter, and you made it 4 hours.
Yeah.
When please bear with us.
Now Venkaiah Naidu.
Courtesy.
Shri Venkaiah Naidu.
Follow Parliament. And sir, you have extended the time rightly.
Yeah.
Rightly so.
Yeah.
After hearing all the members, if the minister want to share the entire information with the house, why should they feel? Why should
No,
they
I
feel?
have given my ruling. Minister
Yes.
can speak.
No, I'm
I
just
have
telling
given
them,
my ruling.
Please have patience. Hear the truth.
I have given my ruling. Minister
The
can speak.
minister can speak even for an hour also.
No, I have given
if they
my
don't want to
ruling.
hear it, that's
I said
that's to them.
I am not controlling the minister.
Truth is unpalatable to them. That's unfortunate. The ex-minister,
I told I am not controlling the
the
minister. He can
ex-minister,
speak.
the ex-defense minister spoke for more than half an hour. And the present minister has not even spoken for 24 minutes. What is
Now minister, only what minister
as
says
per
will
the
go on
terms of
record.
order, 15% of the
Only
payment
what minister,
was done in February 2010. Balance 30%, second tranche of 30% was given in
only what
February
minister says will go on record.
2011. The matter started about corruption appearing in the various media in the Italy from February 2012. Government of India, instead of taking action on the company, adopted a route of writing to External Affairs Ministry, to the embassy, to the court without. No, I am now without paper. I am talking to you. So I will read this. That is what I am saying.
No, you speak.
Media reports about
speak.
alleged wrongdoing and unethical conduct by Messrs. Finn McKenna, parent company of Messrs. AWIL, UK in connection with the purchase of VVIP helicopters and initiation of preliminary investigation against the company in Italy started surfacing since February 2012. While embassy in Rome was approached to get credible information regarding the status of investigation and authenticity
Now,
of
please.
documents, records have been
My dear.
cited in various media
Now,
reports.
sit down.
However, no
What do you
explanation
want?
was asked from the company.
Please.
And the operation of the said agreement
Please
continued.
listen to him. How patient.
Even the deliveries of 3 helicopters.
What are you doing? No. Nothing else will stop on record. Only what minister says will go on record. Nothing else will go on
The
record.
deliveries of 3 helicopters were accepted in December 2012. Only on receiving the report of arrest of Messrs Finmeccanica Chief Mr. Orsi, MOD on 12 February 2013, asked the CBI to conduct an inquiry into the matter. The operation of the agreement was put on hold and
Nothing else will go on record. Only what minister says will go on record.
AWIL UK on 15/2/2013. The Italian authorities commenced criminal
Everybody just sit down.
proceedings from 19
Listen to what he says.
2013 at the court of Busto
Listen to him. See?
Milan in this case. The documents obtained through these proceedings have been shared with CBI and ED. Some of the documents so received were used in taking action for cancellation of contract.
ऑगस्टा वेस्टलैंड डील पर आप ये सुन रहे हैं। मनोहर पर्रिकर की ओर से जवाब दिया जा रहा है राज्यसभा में, और उससे पहले सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी ने इसी मसले पर अपनी बातें रखी और विपक्ष की ओर से भी इस मसले पर अपनी अपनी बातें रखी गई हैं। तो तकरार ये पिछले कई घंटों से जारी है सत्ता पक्ष और विपक्ष के बीच। और मनोहर पर्रिकर ने सवाल उठाया कि एक ही वेंडर इस डील में कैसे था। देश ये जानना चाहता है कि आखिरकार जब भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, ये बात ए.के. एंटनी ने भी मानी है, तो रिश्वत का पैसा आखिरकार गया कहां, और यही सच पूरा देश जानना चाहता है। इस पूरे केस को लेकर फैक्ट्स रखे जा रहे हैं मनोहर पर्रिकर की ओर से राज्यसभा में।